Hello YouTube, Dion from Tech with the unboxing of this power strip by Power Surge. This is one of the cheapest power strips in the market, especially now that they are really expensive compared to the past. This, however, it's a value for money product with Schuko outputs and an on-off switch. So let's check it closely and see what it's all about. This product that makes it a good purchase. So let's cut this tag here. Okay, and here we have the fairly long cable. You can check it right now. It is 1.4 meters long. So this is are you kidding me? Okay, leave it there. And this is actually not a bad option. We have 4 Schuko outputs, and this is certified. You can see the specification here on the back. Now you cannot wall mount this one, but you can leave it on the floor and use one output for the monitor, one for your PC, and 2 more for any other device. The on-off switch is a welcome feature, and yeah, this is a great power strip. So this is it. Feel free to leave us a like, subscribe, and as always from M.A.D, thank you for watching.